Hello friends, good morning and from today I'm going to start your revision from the chapter number 5. Okay. I have started the chapter number 6, unemployment, and we have done first to last four topics. We have completed fifth topic. I have started causes of the unemployment. But now we are going to start this revision from the chapter number third. That means first we will start revision of chapter number third, then second, then first. Okay. Because of it is very easier process for the revision, and I will suggest this type of revision only. Friends, whenever we start chapter number 1 in this subject, I'm not telling about all other subjects, I'm just telling about my subject. And whenever we start the chapter number 1, so many times we revise chapter number 1 question answers, chapter number 1 MCQ, chapter 1 heading, and that's all. But whenever we complete the last chapter, any like fourth, fifth, 10th, 12th, whatever last chapter, if we completed that chapter, then again we start from first. But compared to that, it is very easy process if you will start from the last to first, not first to last. It is my suggestion to all my students for the economics revision. Whenever you are going to start revision, you have to start your revision from last to first. Then next revision again you start from the first to last, like that. So this type of revision, if you will do, it will be very less time consuming process. Plus it will be easy to learn and it is very easy to understand. Whatever topic you have just completed, that will be revised very quickly. Okay. So come to the our chapter number third revision. That chapter number 6 related causes I have started, I also know, and this 5-6 points we have completed from the causes of the unemployment. So friends, again I will start that topic after this revision, and I promise to my all students whenever I will start revision, maybe unemployment chapter completed or not, but I will start your revision from the next week. So I'm going to start the revision of chapter number 3. And that one chapter I will continue after this revision. Okay, friends. And during examination, please, friends, you listen that don't copy from the textbook and other study material. I know my all students, all kids are very honest. They will never copy from any topic, any type of answer, short, long, detail, any answer. They will not copy from the textbook or any other study material. Remember this thing, friends. Because honestly, if you will attend the exam, it will be good for you, and this will be helpful for your final exam. Otherwise, if you will copy today, what will you do for the next and next last or final exam? So then you will be habitual and you will never complete this all three chapters again. So if you will completely learn, you will perfectly learn each and every topic from this all three chapters. Then for the next test or for the half yearly exam or for the that our pre board test, and after that for the final exam also, this all type of preparation will be helpful for you. So friends, please don't think in the last we will copy and our topic is over, why we will waste our time. But friends, it is not your waste of the time. If you will be learned properly during this time, then your work burden will be reduced for the final exam. Correct, friends? So please revise, learn, and complete your syllabus. Okay, friends. Here we are going to start the chapter number third revision. Our chapter number third name is the money and inflation. What do you mean by the money? Money, that means what? Money is a medium of exchange. In a simple sentence, I will say that only. Money is a medium of exchange. Medium of exchange, but it is also used the store of the value. People save money by their people see their wealth only in this form very well, and it is very in the very liquid form. Liquid, that means easy to exchange and easy to satisfy their requirements. By money, any one person can be exchange their goods and services. So people say money for their future needs in this one. These all are things we all know very well. We have first one question from this chapter. What do you mean by the barter system? Barter system, that means what? Barter system is a system of exchange where goods or services are directly exchanged for other goods or services without using medium of exchange such as money. This is barter system. It's most timely question for 1 mark. Okay, and this much you will write and you can get marks. Maybe for 2 marks, but this much is over, and you can get easily nice marks. Okay. Next one point is the limitations. What do you mean by the barter system? Explain its limitations. If you are going to write this answer, you can write first meaning. For 3 marks, I'm telling about the 3 marks. So first of all, you have to write means of the barter system in the introduction. Then you start the limitations of the barter system. And for this also, you can explain an example like this example. If a farmer cultivates the wheat, would store the required stock and would exchange the remaining wheat to get rice, clothes, or shoes. Okay. And similarly, the shoes maker could get cloth and food, ghee, by the exchanging the shoes he made. So this is the example for the barter system. Now, limitations. First one limitation is what? The first one limitation is issue of mutual adjustment of the wants. Issue of mutual adjustments of the wants. You know, friends, whenever any type of commodity exchange by any other commodity, because of in the barter system we have not a money, so commodity can be exchanged only by the commodity or service. So this type of commodities, if exchanged with each other, that time the most problem faced by this all, that is the mutual adjustment. Mutual adjustment, that means what? This commodity, which first person want to exchange with any other. Okay, it's very complicated to find that commodity, to exchange that commodity with the same. Okay, and very socio-economic problems create in that time. For example, a person who is making the shoe, that person want to exchange shoes with rice, but rice producer is not ready to exchange rice with shoes. He have requirement of wheat. Then he cannot exchange with shoes. And if the rice producer or farmer want to exchange his rice with wheat, but wheat producer farmer is not ready to exchange his goods with rice, then he has requirement of the ghee. Then that type of mutual adjustment is not possible. Correct, friends? And this type of mutual adjustment is not possible due to the barter system. It is the limitation, and various type of difficulties will be faced by this in the economy and in the society. So first one. Now second one is difficulty in storing value. Difficulty in storing value, that means what? If any type of commodity store in the for future requirement, maybe that commodity will be damaged, destroyed, and after a particular time period, after a particular long time period, that commodity has not useful. That commodity will not useful. Okay. For example, if shoemaker will stock shoes for the future wants, for the satisfaction of the future wants, maybe after a particular time period, that leather will be damaged and dirty and not useful, then that storage value has become less. Okay. If a farmer who produced 5 quintal of wheat, but that farmer has requirement only 2 quintal of wheat, 3 quintal of wheat he will store for the future wants, then after a long time period, his wheat will be damaged, destroyed, or by this type of insect, that commodity will be destroyed. Okay, by the rainfall or by any other reason. So it is very complicated to store same type of commodity for the long time period. It was otherwise difficult to store the surplus goods or store the exchange value of these goods. Third one is problem of measurement of the value. Problem of measurement the value, that means if how a particular commodity can be measured in other commodity. Okay, because a single person has not only single ones. For your example, okay, for an example, if I will say that in a full day, in a 24 hours, how many commodities you are using? If you will make a list, maybe it will be very large. More than 500 things you are using per day, for early morning to next morning. In 24 hours, you are using more than 100 goods, more than 100 type of goods. I will say more than 1,000 goods you are using. एक छोटी सी चीज से लगा करके बड़ी चीज तक अगर एक इमेज करोगे माइंड में तो पता चल जाएगा कितनी सारी गुड्स आप यूज करो. So this all goods can you measure with other goods value? Other value, we cannot measure a particular goods value with other goods. Okay, for example, I cannot measure wheat. If okay, I will measure wheat and rice. 5 quintal wheat I will give and 5 kilogram wheat I will give to another farmer. I can get 2 kilogram of rice. 5 kilogram of wheat I will give and 2 kilogram of rice I will give. But how I can be make that list for ghee, for rice, for oil, for shoes, for 1 meter of cloth, or for toothpaste, for toothbrush, and this all things. Whatever we know, whatever we want, for shoes, for cow, for milk, for paneer, like that, this type of current is all type of goods. If I want, how I can measure? It's very, very complicated condition, really, friends. And in this case, we cannot measure the correct value of a particular good with other goods value, other services value. So exchanging this type of goods and their estimations exchange rate is very difficult to determine and maintain the exchange value of goods with others. Like value of wheat will be equal to the 20 kilogram wheat value is equal to 40 kilogram of rice, 10 meters of the textile and 1 kilogram ghee. In a modern structure, the questions of the measuring arise as how much of the textile can be exchanged with 1 kilogram of ghee, or how much of the rice can exchange with 1 kilogram of ghee. So each and every commodity will be measured with this type. All commodities, it's very complicated, very difficult to determine such all measurements. So, and need for a universally acceptable measuring rule. And this one has given by only and only modern money, which we are using at present. This type of money make easier resolve things. Otherwise, we have this type of problems. First one is problem which is there to barter system, issue of major adjustment of bonds. Second one is difficulty. Third one is problem of measurement of value. Now come to the next topic. Our next topic is to write a short note on the origin and development of the concept of the money. It is a question for you. And for this answer, you can write from the beginning to last each and every stage of the origin and development of the money. You know, friends, in before I can say so many years, that means in the olden age time period, people used only say silver and gold coins. Right, friends? And before that, what? Before that, people exchange their goods and services with other goods and services. So goods and services also a type of the money because of these are exchanging with each other. After that, some people thought that there's all type of animals also can be exchanged with each other to satisfy the requirements of the people. So that money has started from the goods and services, then second on the stage is the animals, and then after people thought it, we have to use a common standard medium for the exchange, for the trade, for all type of economic, non-economic, and all the activities. So they thought it animals are mortal, मतलब वो कभी भी मर सकते हैं. They get sick and die. So how this can be stored? This cannot be stored for the long time period. Maybe today we have purchased a cow and tomorrow it will die. Then, so how it can be stored? Or maybe tomorrow it will be sick. It's very difficult and complicated to the for this all work is done by the man. This all cannot be done by the animal. But it has also a part of the origin and development of the man. Third point I said that time also. The third point is the all type of metal coins. Okay, it has also used in the olden time period. People's use first goods and services to exchange with each other. Only barter system has there. Then after second one has related to animals. Then third I said in animal also they have faced so many problems because of the animals are mortal. And then after the third one I said that in the during the kingdom time period, during the emperor time period, emperors started their silver and gold coin in their own state, in a particular area only, in a particular region only. Their coins and their gold, silver coins cannot be worked in the different state and different region. So it has also limitations. And this type of expensive coins, expensive metal coins, only rich people have. So there's all people, lay people couldn't use this type of the expensive metal coins. So they started some minerals and stones also on were used instead of the animals. Then after they have started all type of coins. Okay. And this imperial coins started by the various states. And then after, due to the democracy, due to the industrialization, inspired and the need of the modern money as means of the exchange. And with the support of the central government, it presently all are using widable and widely acceptable as the means of the money which we are using, that is the modern money. Okay, and at present it has again converted because of the fast economic system, fast for the transfer system and storing value. Now at presently all are using the paper and mixed metal coins and which type of money? Digital money. Okay, banking money. This type of money also using by all us, and this all are original development of money. Now next one is the money. What do you mean by the money and its functions? It is an important question for 3 marks. What do you mean by the money? It may be this question will be for 1 mark. Money, that means what? Money is the medium which is used as a means of exchange without any doubt and investigation regardless of place or time. It has given by the Marshall. It's very, very definition. Okay. Then Robertson also given the definition. What is acceptable universally in the exchange of goods or services? No, it's money, according to Robertson. Okay. It is first one has given by Professor Alfred Marshall. Second one has given by Robertson. Now we are discussing the functions of the money. What type of work has done by the money? So whatever limitations we have completed for the barter system, same type of points we can write here. Only minor change here. That's the change is money as a medium of exchange. Money is work as a medium of exchange. The most important functions of the money is the act is as a medium of exchange and trade. So it removes the limitation of the lack of double considerable loans. Here, friends, first type of limitation has which is in the barter system. This has removed by the modern money. Okay, and makes it easier, very easy. At present, whenever you have a need to drink a cold drink, you can easily spend 40 rupees, 50 rupees, and you can eat very easily that cold drink. If you want to drink milk, you can spend 29 rupees and you can drink that milk. How it can be possible? If you want to purchase shoes, you will spend 1,000, 2,000 rupees and you can purchase shoes. How it can be possible? Because that shopkeeper will accept that money which is in the modern time period. At last time period, at the last topic which we have done, that time maybe you will exchange the shoes by the week, but that shopkeeper will not accept it. In that case, you cannot satisfy your requirement. That limitation has removed with the help of the modern money. And it is work also, it is a function of the money also. Next one, money as a store of the value. Store the value, that means what? For the future wants, money can be stored. Okay, we have future needs also, not only present needs. Okay, your parents all are, your all students' parents are generating income. Tell me a single answer. Maybe I will not make this at the same time, but first you just think it. Your parents, whatever income they are generating, they are spending full money. Whatever they are spending, if they are generating 50,000 rupees per month, this 50,000 rupees not spent in that same month. They will be saved for the future uncertain requirements, for the future safety, for the future related all other requirements. They will be save their money, they will be store their values. And it can be done only with the help of the modern money. So it is a work also of that. There can be saved, goods and services can be saved for the long time period by the well for the future needs of the goods and services was difficult before the use of the money as a means of exchange. And animals were also mortal. So 8% in the modern time period is made very easier with the help of the money. Very successfully they can restore their money for the long time period. Next one, money as a measure of value. Money as a measure of value, that means what, friends? Money plays an important role as a money plays an important role as a measure of value in barter exchange system. It was difficult to remember the exchange rates and value of each of the goods or services. For 20 quintal of wheat equal to how much kilogram of rice? Equal is equal to how much meter of the cloth equal to how much kilogram of wheat. That time it was very difficult. At present we can easily measure by the money. That means I said now only 29 rupees if we will spend, we can get 50 ml, sorry, 500 ml milk easily we will get. If we will spend 1000 rupees, we can get easily good shoes. One pair of shoes easily we can get. How it can be measured? It can be measured with the help of the money. And it made easier only and only by the money. Otherwise, we will prepare a long list and we will keep in our pocket and then after we will purchase any type of commodity. Because commodity and services, if exchanged by the goods and services, in that case, we will make a long list, then we can purchase our commodities. We will carry two bags. One bag which we are going to exchange for our needy commodity and we another bag for the whatever commodity we have accepted. Okay, so there's two type of bag we will carry, then we can accept our requirement. But at present, this all things are very easy. We can payment our amount only with the help of the money, or sometimes we are going to pay only by the digital cash, and we can get easily that type of commodity which we require. Correct, friends? So how it can be possible? With the help of money only? Yeah. So functions are over. Next one is the types of money. This one question is very IMP for 2 marks. What do you mean by the money and write types of the money? Money we can write, means of the money we can write from the beginning first and with the definition. Then after we have to write these points. First one is the commodity money. Second one is animal money. Third one is metal money. Fourth one is paper money. Fifth one is plastic money. Sixth one is the banking money, which is the invisible or E. Okay, friends, this points will write and we can get 2 out of 2 marks. Next one is the means of the inflation. It is the second part of the same chapter. Friends, we will discuss same topic next week. I hope you all have understood. So please, friends, you revise same topic, complete your answer. If you will revise, you will get very good marks. Without revision, without your preparation, you cannot get marks. So friends, don't think it. We will copy and we will get good marks. Yes, friends, this time you will get good marks. But what about your final exam? In the final exam, if you will not write good and correct answer, you will not get good and correct good marks. Maybe you will not get passing marks. So if your dreams are very bright dreams, if you have seen, for that you have to do work hard. Without hard work, you will never get good and excellent marks. Maybe you have dream A plus rank, but for that we have to start our study from today. If you will wait for tomorrow, tomorrow will never come and you will never get good marks. I hope you all will complete your dreams. You all will get excellent marks. But please, friends, do your hard work. Start your hard work from today. Okay, friends? All the best. We'll meet again in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.